All right, guys, this is the trade recap segment that I'm going to start doing on my YouTube channel. And I'll basically just break down the trades, why I took them, things like that. So this is the first video, of course. And this trade was taken last night during London session on GBP JPY. And basically, if we zoom out, we can see from this point here, we have a daily break of structure. As you can see that I've marked out, right? Price was in a downtrend. We broke out of that daily structure and we started trending to the upside, right? And we didn't really have too many decent moves during this time last week. It kind of just trickled up and, didn't really give us or give me a trading opportunity above my levels where I look for. And then again, obviously we have the end of the week and the start of the new week. We can see we come down, we spiked out of previous daily lows, but then broke above previous daily highs as well. Retested above that previous weekly high, retested it, and then continued bullish. So at that point, we was trading. We'd made our weekly bottom wick. We broke above the previous weekly. We retested it, and we started trading above weekly highs, and also continued that bullish structure to the upside. If I just drew, I don't obviously trade trend lines, but if I was to draw a trend line like that, you can clearly see that price is in that uptrend right there. So basically what I was looking for, there was yen bank holiday yesterday, and you can see in here during Asian session, we had this consolidation, very low volume candles. And then I saw price wick down here. You can see this big rejection wick and then started turning bullish, right? If I zoom in. So we had the rejection and then this very nice bullish candle, which closed just above previous daily highs, right? So I waited for this bottom wick to happen, which it did. Nice bottom wick of around about 10 pips. And then it started breaking previous 30-minute highs, right? So this is where I entered. And I had a 20 pip stop below that wick and a 60 pip take profit for a 1 to 3 risk reward trade, which got tapped very nicely, right? Pull back, continued, kind of made like a double top resistance here and then came back down to retest previous daily highs. And you can see we've had a fake out here and then we broke back above, retested, getting a lot of rejection wicks. So again, now potentially GJ could be looking to go long again, back up to these previous highs and continue on this very nice uptrend that we've got. So if you look, it's it can be similar to this move right here. Move up, right? Retest, move up, retest, move up, retest, move up, retest, move up, right? So again, if this support holds on GJ, we can be looking for continuation buys today during pre-London, London session, New York, etc. And of course, that would be, I'll do my analysis tonight, pre-London. I do go live on YouTube and Twitch to do that pre-London analysis, and I did analyze this as well yesterday in my live stream. So yeah, that is the GJ trade from yesterday. As you can see, the profits in the bottom left or bottom right, wherever I decide to put it. $289.57. So I did risk $100 to make $300, but I took the profits as price started rejecting, coming down here, right? So I did see around about $310 profit, and then as it started coming down here, I didn't have a take profit. I usually just do it manually, so I missed it for a second and came back when it was around about $289. So I just took profits there. It already hit the 1 to 3 and it started retracing a little bit. So I just took profits at that point. But yeah, beautiful uptrend on GJ. I've just been riding this uptrend, right? And this was the first real opportunity it gave me to get in a nice entry. I did have entries as well over here last week, but anyway, that's a different trade. That's a different day. This is just recapping yesterday's trade. So that is it. Quick 5-minute video. Thank you guys for watching. And of course, I'll be doing this segment more often, recapping my winning trades, my losing trades, and just giving you guys just some breakdown on what's going through my head. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.